I'm Storm Tracker ET meteorologist Austin Haskins with your Wednesday weather forecast. Overall, it turned out to be a pretty nice day yesterday, despite the fact it was cold and a little bit on the breezy side. But we have some clouds around this morning. Otherwise, a mainly sunny sky for your Wednesday. So another really nice day, and it will be a little warmer and less breezy today. And it'll be warmer as that high moves down to our south and east. It gives us a little bit of that south to southwesterly wind. And then tonight, if you're going to be heading out and about, really not much going on. Pretty quiet with a mainly clear sky and those light southwest winds continuing. We're quiet and sunny tomorrow and even warmer tomorrow. But keep your eyes to the northwest. Our next area of low pressure is going to move in. Now, we will have an increase in the clouds Thursday night. Can't rule out maybe a couple of sprinkles or some patchy light drizzle. But as the low gets closer to us heading into Friday morning, chances for rain are going to increase. And it is wanting to show, at least across far northern Wisconsin, some snow with this system. And temperatures are going to play a big role with this system. And as you'll see here with taking a look at the European and the American solutions, there's still a little bit of discrepancy on how exactly this is going to play out. So we're looking at the European here, and this is actually keeping all the precipitation towards Lake Superior during the day Friday. And if that's right, we would just stay dry during the day Friday. But the rain chances start to increase Friday night and continuing into Saturday. And as you saw, a little bit of some wintry mix or light snow changeover to that is certainly possible, mostly favoring our northeastern hometown. So Rice Lake, Ladysmith, and over towards Medford and the Cornell areas. And then things kind of wrap up into Saturday night. Here's the look at the American solution. And this one is showing the rain up to the north, and this is around 12:30 Friday afternoon. And it looks like the timing of this, at least for some of the longer range outlooks, are suggesting the precip might not begin till Friday late in the day. So if that's the case, we may have to drop precip chances a little bit during the day on Friday, and then increase them Friday night into Saturday. And you can see this one, it's mostly mix and snow to the north, and that mix line getting down to about Rice Lake and Medford, and it's mostly rain for everybody else, and that continues even into Saturday as well. Temperatures during the day Friday, I think, are going to be warm enough where it's going to be mostly all rain. This will mostly be in the low to mid 40s. We drop to the 30s Friday night, and then we'll stay about 35 to 41 on Saturday, which could at least be supportive enough for a little bit of a snow rain mix in some locations. So we're going to watch the trends on this closely, but as far as total precip goes with this over the next 5 days, most spots could at least see a couple hundredths of an inch. I generally think totals will be up to about a quarter inch or less, but you can't totally roll a couple of spots, maybe seeing upwards of a half inch, which would be very welcoming. I know we need some snow, or some of us would like snow because it is December and Christmas is nearby, but any precipitation at this point we will certainly take because it's been dry for quite a while again. Our highs today, lower 30s northeast, otherwise generally about 35 to 40 today. And we'll fall back down into the upper teens and lower 20s tonight with a clear sky. Highs tomorrow, mid to upper 40s. Can't totally rule out a couple of spots south and west, maybe making a run for that 50-degree mark. And then on Friday, our southern areas along and south of Highway 10, I think we're going to be dry during the day. Everyone else, at least a chance for a few scattered showers. Highs generally between about 40 and 45. Low at 33 in Eau Claire Friday night. 39 on Saturday. I do have it as a rain-snow mix, but again, we'll watch the trends on that closely. After that, we dry out again, and temperatures hanging out at least about 10 degrees above average.